Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I love jewelry. I find that wearing the most fashion-forward necklaces and earrings and bracelets makes me feel that I'm following fashion trends in the youngest styles. I've been looking into getting beautiful pieces, and I found this company called Aslowe, and they ship it right to your door. Their website is just gorgeous. Let me show you what I got in my box. I opened my box, and all these things that I ordered were right there. Lots of necklaces, earrings, bracelets. I got gold and silver. I got even hair clips. I also bought some travel accessories. I bought this box so I can go on a trip and put my jewelry in it. And these little things that look like macaroons are actually containers to hold each of those necklaces so they don't tangle up. They had so many styles. Let me show you some of the ones I got. This is a gold layer fashion necklace. The gold is put over alloy, so it's durable. It's not going to chip off. When you order a piece of jewelry, they make it specific to you and your order. So it can take 10 days to 15 days to arrive to your door, but it's specially made just for your order. This fashion layer look came with a choker that you wear on the top and then the longer necklace below. And check out this one I have on now. It's another fashion layer look. It has a rose and a coin, and the upper layer is a coin too. Coins are really big in jewelry fashion now. And I got these cute earrings to match, but they're not too matchy. And look at this simple gold necklace that is like a compass. It has north, south, east, and west with the sun in the middle of it. The clasps are really easy for me to use, and there's a lot of extra so you can determine the length you want. And I love this silver collection as well. It comes with a choker and 2 long necklaces. There are many designs to pick from. I like them all. I love the long look because you can go down below your blouse. It's so pretty the way it has a point at the bottom. And I bought these earrings to go with it. This is a set against a black background so you can see the detail in it and the high quality it is. That's a silver alloy material. It'll stay shiny for you. It's not going to tarnish. What do you think? I love the size of the earring. So it's going to show and sparkle when I wear the set. And check out these travel cases. You just put your necklace in the travel case, and I add my earrings, and this set is not going to get tangled with your other jewelry when you go travel. You just close it up, and you have this little macaroon container with the whole necklace and earrings ensemble ready to go. And check out my ultra glamour earrings. I got 2 sets of these glitter earrings. I picked out the shiniest with the most sparkle I could, and these were it. The blue and gray natural rock comes with diamonds all around it. I know those aren't real diamonds, but they're diamonds to me. And look at these shiny sparkle earrings I'm wearing. This is the way I go without a necklace to kind of go out and liven up an outfit for maybe a dinner out. I love the feminine way I feel when I'm wearing jewelry, but I want it to be fashionable. And as you get older, if you wear dated jewelry, it makes you look dated. And I know that for a fact on me. So jewelry is really important that I keep it up and current with what's happening in the fashion world. And look at the way they look on my ear, and they're not too heavy. They hang really well. And with my long hair, you can see them. And look at these hair clips. These are each natural freshwater pearls. And they have an iron clip, which is strong, and shiny gold plating. I like to put them in bunches of 2. These are strong, and they're gonna hold. And I got these beautiful bracelets. I think they're very pretty. They're easy to clasp, and you can make them as long as you need them. And I love the bangles. They're so delicate, so pretty, and look how easy they are to put on. And you squeeze them to get the size you want. I like wearing a lot of bracelets. I love the feather. Look at that feather. I love the way these all look together. It's such a pretty, delicate, feminine look. And here are 2 other pairs I really liked because they're so young and fresh looking. These are great. They're not too heavy. It looks like it's going to be heavy, but it's not. And they are plated with the gold, so it's going to be sparkly and not wear off. But it's not heavy like real gold would be. It's just strong, and the finish will last. I hope you liked my jewelry fashion show, and you like the jewelry as much as I do. Click the link to get Aslowe Jewelry and check out their website. It goes on and on and on with all kinds of fashions for you to choose from. I loved it. It was so much fun doing some retail therapy as I looked through all these beautiful designs. Online shopping is therapy for me. It's so much fun. Click the link below to get your Aslowe jewelry. The prices are great, the shipping's fast, it's a fabulous company. I'm really excited with what I have. Follow me on all my social media, and if you're watching this on YouTube, ring my bell to get notified of my next video and subscribe to me. And let's keep making great recipes in life, like a recipe to look younger with fashion-forward jewelry. See you next time. Yeah.